Yo, what up guys, it's your boy Vincent. You're welcome to this video. So today we'll be talking about the 10 basic clothings every guy should have in his wardrobe. So let's think of this. They are all classics, they are all fundamental basics that everybody can wear time to time without noticing. And I will advise to everybody that when getting these items in your wardrobe, they should be of good qualities, like quality that can serve you for years. Don't go and buy cheap quality clothes. Spend more and it will save you more on the long run. So we'll be talking about 10 items every guy should own. And number one, all white shirts. So every guy should own a white shirt. Like, it's simple, it's very versatile. You can just wear this on top of a black denim jeans with your sneakers or your leather shoes. Depends on how you're styling it for that day, and you're good to go. And it's also a good basics for layering. So every guy should have a white t-shirt. It can also be black. It mustn't be a white. It can be black, it can be gray, it can be red, any color that suits you the most you should own, but white is very essential. So that brings us also to number two, and this is a white dress shirt. This is for corporate wears and for diaper wears. Like, okay, maybe people do not know what's diaper now. I will show you diaper. Like this picture of me layering a crew neck sweater on top of a flannel. These are all diaper clothes. Diaper clothes are mostly worn especially in cold seasons, so this is also a good cloth for layering. And this can match with a plain trousers. This can also go with a blue jeans. It can go with a dark denim jeans. So it's versatile. And we students, we are all students, so there are days we will be told to dress, in corporate wear. So everyone should have one of these. This is a white shirt. So go for high quality shirt that will carry you through years. We are all students. I will always say, go for good quality clothes. So these 10 basics, guys, save money. You have to save your money and get good items that will save you on the long run, so you won't be constantly replacing them due to their fake. And that brings us to number three, a flannel. Flannel shirts. I love flannel shirts, guys. It suits everybody. That's why I love it. No matter your body type, no matter your age, you can be 18, you can be 40 years, you can be an old man, and it will still suit you. So no matter the kind of body you have, if you have man boobs or maybe your shoulders are a bit of slanty, it can go for everybody. And all these clothes I'm about calling it's for all age range. It's for all age ranges. So get a good flannel shirt. It's not a must. The color will be, should play with colors. You can also go for that. Can go for solid colors like your white, your black, your red, your gray. So these are very essential, and this rolls us to number four, and this is your dark denim jeans. This is very important for guys because of one, you can wear this 7 times a week. You can wear this every day. As long as you're changing your shirts, nobody will notice that this is your only pair. And you should make sure when going for this, you should make sure it's not a distressed jean, aka your crazy jeans that has all these tears. So just a simple dark denim jeans and you're good to go. You can compose with this, you can compose with thousands of dresses and wear this constantly. No one will know about it. So which rolls us to number five, I think. This is your plain black trouser. I think every guy should have this. It's an essential. It's not even that I think. Every guy should have this. This is a black trouser. As students, even no matter your stage in life, if you're a student, you're working and you are working, you all need this. And it can go also with leather shoes, sneakers, your boots, mention them. It can go with everything. So all this needs to be high quality clothing. So because of this, these are everyday outfits. You can, if composed very well, you can wear this. You can combine this with more than 50 outfits. But don't worry guys, I got you covered. That's the reason for this channel. I will be making more videos on how you can layer, how you can mix clothing, and every other related stuff. So this rule number 6, this is your crew neck sweaters. Very important, and it's also an important piece for layering. All these things are called all important pieces for layering. So this, you can wear it like that with just a plain trouser or a jean, or you can wear it on top of a flannel shirt or a dress shirt, or even this shirt I'm wearing, you can still wear it on top of it as long as the collar is out. It serves well. So, and it's thick. So guys, get this. I know the Harmattan season is coming, so these are essential clothing. So number 7, which is the bomber jacket. This is a jacket, you know, this is a very good clothes because of it gives you the style. It has a pocket down here, as you can see. This it also comes with a zip. It has a zip, as you can see, a zipper there. This, I don't know what this is called now. Sorry, I don't know what this is called. So these are for thick weathers. This one I got this one is very thick, so I don't, it's really important. So I think you should get it, but my advice to you, shouldn't make this mistake I made. Like this one I got is very thick, so I don't wear this under the sun. So just when going for this, just look for light materials. There are also light materials you can get for this. So this you can get to layer it with a white shirt or a black shirt, any kind of shirt, as long as a shirt, you can layer it on top of it. So now I think we are going to number 8, and number 8 is your leather shoes. So this is an Oxford dress shoe. So we students, as long as you're a guy, you need this. It's very important. You shouldn't be the kind of guy that always puts on sneakers. You should have a leather shoe in case you want to dress corporate or in a diaper way. You shouldn't always wear sneakers. You should learn to leave your comfort zone, guys. Try out new things. That is it. The process of trying out new things, you could stumble on top of things, on top of clothing, on top of certain dress code you might love, and you won't stop wearing this. So ever since I got this, like, my style kind of elevated because of with this. Once you put this on with the heels, it makes you look tall and makes you look masculine, guys. So don't always be a guy that always dress up with sneakers. Also, get yourself a leather shoe. It can be a choker boots or a Chelsea boots or a loafers. So anyone, just make sure it's a leather shoe and it will suit you well. You don't have to wear the suit. With this, you can just wear a plain trouser or a jean trouser on top with a shirt, with your crew neck sweater, as I said, and your leather shoes. And that is a corporate wear. You don't need to go on a coat or on a suit before it's called a corporate wear. And this rolls us to number 9, guys. Your all white sneakers. Like, getting this has been the best decision of my life. Like, seriously. As it's very important, your white sneakers. Just tell me a particular outfit that can't go with these white sneakers. None. It can go even with your suit. It can go in corporate wears. You can wear it with a plain trouser, with a dress shirt, with a crew neck sweater. You can also wear it with a bomber jacket and put it on with your white sneakers. So if you are looking for a good sneakers to get, my advice to you is look for a white quality sneakers, and you'll be happy because it's very versatile. It can go with all kind of outfits and it sets you apart from the rest, because many people are not into it yet. Like, I don't know why. Maybe they haven't found out the secret, or I think it's still the secret. So I'm telling you that secret right now. Get yourself a good quality white sneakers and you'll be happy. So finally, this rolls us to the last piece I think every guy should have. I don't think I will forget it. A wristwatch. I won't forget this, guys. So always get yourself a good wristwatch. You can dress up like a stud, like a 10-10 stud. And if you are not putting on a good wristwatch, you're dressing socks. So get yourself a good wristwatch. Don't always be the kind of guy that always brings out his phone every time he wants to take time, because there are also some certain situations you can find yourself in. Maybe you may be talking to your lecturer or your senior ones, and bringing out your phone, checking the time might look, what will I say? So guys, always get yourself a good wristwatch. It mustn't be an expensive wristwatch. I got this very, very cheap, $1,000. So, and it's been carrying me for months now. So guys, this is it. These are the 10 basic items every guy should have in their wardrobe. If you like this video, give us a like down below, subscribe to our channel, turn on post notifications so you won't miss out on our future videos, guys. And that's it from me from this week's video. Signing out.